the game.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just got back from USTE 2020 in Willingston, Florida, as you can see in my shirt. My first time going, wow, that's all I can say. I had an absolute blast. Prior to going, I had been debating, since it was my first time, going for one day. It's a 3-day event, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Local people said, you want to go for 3 days. Somebody I know went last year for the first time, went one day, and they instantly regretted it. So I decided to go for 3 days. Wow, am I glad that I decided. So for any of you who have not been and looking at going in the future, go for all 3 days. It is an amazing event. There's 9 trails that you honestly cannot do all in one day, especially if you want to meet with some of the vendors, because there's all kinds of vendors there. Check out other RCs and even some of the other events like mud drags, freestyle, side-by-side drags, the gallery, all this stuff. You can't do everything in one day in the trails. Not possible. It took me all 3 days to get the trails in, as I did other things also. And to be honest, I didn't get everything else as well. So you just can't do it. 3 days, awesome. The people are amazing. The people putting on the show, great job, guys. Awesome. The vendors are phenomenal. They're, your big names like Reefs and Holmes Hobby, J Concepts, Scalar Fabs, all these companies, bringing in stuff to buy and sell, but also as freebies. Every day there's drawings, and they're giving out so much stuff. Everything from RC cars to motors to bodies to accessories. Kids, they take care of the kids. I mean, multiple kids ended up with their first RC car. It's amazing. The giving in the RC community, I've heard about it, and I really got to witness it this weekend. Amazing, amazing. Everybody is super nice. I had some issues out on the trail a couple times and carrying my car out, and people were like, hey, I got tools. You need tools. Can I help you? I loaned a battery out to somebody when they had a battery die in the middle of the trail. Loaned them a battery I had in my backpack. We finished the trail. It's awesome. Everybody, you got people from other countries all over the US. Guys, you should go to this event. It should be a bucket list item. I cannot wait for next year. I do want to show you a few items that I brought back from the event. So, first one from Bauhaus RC, multi-use tool. We all use them, right? Love this thing. Your tips are in the bottom. They don't come out. Take your tip off. Put it in the end. It don't fall out. It's lightweight. It's a little thicker than some of them. I have big hands. Great, great tool. I think it cost me $45. I'll put a link in the description below. Awesome little tool. Highly recommend it. I picked me up some sand rails from Scalar Fabs. Great product. I've also ordered me some bumpers from them. They had some on display. Their products are top notch. Love it. Picked up from DSM Off-Road some scale signs, what I'll be using for my backyard course. Be putting these together. In future videos you'll see me putting some of these signs out. Great little kit, everything you need pretty much. I mentioned giveaways. So I think on day 2 I won a BEC, Castle BEC that I won. Great thing. Last day they were tossing stuff out. Won one of these Proline accessory kits, a couple batteries, amp and stuff. Awesome. Guys, again, the event's great. The people who put this event on, I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So many YouTubers there, so many great people there, great companies there, great event. I'm going to include in this video some clips of the gallery from the first day where all the cars were set out, sort of a big car show there. So there'll be some video of that. You can expect to see some future videos from me. I have videos from all the trails and the 9 trails that there are. There was 9 trails on top of a mini trail for mini like 124 scale RCs. I got some video on that. There was a hill climb. I did not make it to that. I did make it to the mud drags. I have video of the mud drags. I have video from the finals of the side-by-side drag. And then I got some video from the freestyle where they're launching RCs up in the air on this massive ramp way up in the air. It was insane. Such a good time. So you can be expecting quite a few videos over the next week, 2 weeks, coming from all of this from USTE. So enjoy. If you like what you see, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.
Change the game.